What is the purpose of init method in Python classes? The correct option is option C, initialize object attributes. __init__ is the constructor method used to initialize the object's attributes when it is created. What will be the output of this statement? The correct option is option B, 12. The plus operator concatenates strings. 1 plus 2 results in 12. What will print type return? The correct option is option D, class dict. An empty pair of curly braces creates a dictionary in Python. Which method is used to remove the last element from a list? The correct option is option B, pop method. The pop method removes and returns the last item in the list. What will be the output of this statement? The correct option is option D. The / operator performs floating point division and returns a float result. How do you declare an empty tuple? The correct option is option C. Tuples are declared using parentheses. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel for more content.